We have to take allegations like money quoted seriously. So we're not going to press charges against you for wasting our time. If you believe everything you told us tonight, please, please, give to see a psychiatrist. I can't see a psychiatrist. Well, that's too bad. Bullshit. Well, at least I know it's in. Yes, that's good news. Yeah, I know that. I know that. How did we read it? I don't know. Okay, we did the same thing last interview and I don't know. This is weird. Okay, where's the smiley is?